The Seidel Diesel Group uses a Bosch certified process to rebuild our common rail injectors, assuring our customers the highest quality standards in the world. The process starts with buffing the old injector core. The injector core is then disassembled and cleaned. After cleaning, the injector core and parts are brought into our specially built clean room for inspection and estimation. Our clean room opened in September of 2013 at our Bolingbrook headquarters. Every aspect of the clean room is specially certified to meet rigorous Bosch standards and assure that no contaminants enter the space. This ensures the most precisely rebuilt common rail injectors on the market today. We then preload the injector's high-pressure seals and valve sets. Then it's time to assemble the injectors, including setting the angle of the solenoid. After assembly, the injectors are moved out of the clean room and tested on our Bosch certified test bench to verify that they are fully functional. After a successful run on the test bench, the injector is capped for protection, etched with a part number, and carefully packaged. The newly rebuilt injector is now ready to be sold. Our common rail injector rebuild process, along with our clean room, is industry-leading and just another part of the way that the Seidel Diesel Group works hard to provide like-new remanufactured goods. We are proud to have earned and to display the Manufactured Again trademark on all of our Reman products as proof that they are like new or of better quality and performance compared to new goods. Contact us today for pricing and info on common rail injectors.